Do you know how would you look when you grow older? Or are you curious to know how would your child look with your partner? Hey everyone, I'm Ritesh and today let's explore Remaker AI, a platform that has a lot of editing features in one dashboard. Instead of juggling between multiple tools for images, videos, and enhancements, Remaker AI does it all together in one single platform. So let's jump in, explore the platform, and see what is possible within Remaker AI. So let's head over to remaker.ai, and we have an account already created. So I'll go with login, and I'll select this particular account, select the account again, and we should be in. Now you can see that we have a lot of features available on this platform. If we cover everything, then it will become multi-hour video, and that's not the goal of this video series. We want to just showcase what are some core features of this platform. We'll start with AI photo generators, then AI photo editing, AI removal, AI photo enhancer, AI video tools, and then quickly look at free tools. Let's see what are the options available with AI photo generator. Okay, we have a AI image generator where you can give some prompt and it will generate. We have seen this on multiple platforms. Let's try with the portrait generator. And here we have to upload our images. As we can see, upload 1 to 4 frontal face photos. Okay, so I'm going over here, thumbnail images. We had a few images created for our thumbnails. I'll probably use this one, this one, this one, say this one. Okay, so 3 images, and we have to choose mode. We'll go with man, template, or custom. Right, you can give some custom prompt. We'll go with template for now, and let's say suit tuck. Okay, we can also go with we can also edit the image ratio 1:2, 1:1, and so on and so forth. Let's go with 1:1 for now, and I'll click on generate. So of course it will take a few seconds to generate this particular image. It's now generating, and there you can see. So let me download this and this. Right, let's quickly check how am I looking in this pose. Okay, and this one, which is basically the first image. So how does this look, guys? Let me know in the comments so that I can think of getting into this look. Okay, so that was portrait generator for us. Of course, if you have better images, then it will give you better results. Okay, now let's go with headshot generator. Similar concept. We'll have to upload an image. So again, we can use V1 model or V2, which is in beta. So let's go with V1 model. Okay, and we have to upload 1 to 4 images. And let me go with this particular image, or maybe this one, just one image. Okay, and it's asking us whether it's a man or a woman, and we also have some options here like body shape and so on and so forth. So instead of options, we will go with template. So it has a few details like this, and let me select this one. Okay, I'll click on generate. Okay, while it's generating, I'll quickly show you what are the options available. So we can select the gender, we can select the body shape, outfit style, background, okay, clothing type, hairstyle, hair color, and all of these details. Okay, and custom is basically prompt. You can give a prompt over here, and based on the image and the prompt, it will generate the output as per your requirement. Now we have gone with template, and it was this particular image. So let's see what it has generated. So while it is generating, let's quickly check this warning or message that we have received. It says the history can save a maximum of 80 generated results, and every image will be deleted after 1 day. Please download promptly. Okay, so please keep this in mind, because you might expect that it will be available, but they're going to delete it after 1 day. Okay, so this is what I would look like as per AI in this particular avatar. Let's move on. And next we have LinkedIn profile picture, AI avatar generator, right? We also have AI meme generator, but this is what we are all here for, I would assume, right? So let's see how would our baby look like. I already have two, so I wouldn't want to know how my baby would look like because I know. But let's see how this feature works. And for obvious reasons, I do not want to upload any real images here. I don't want to get into any controversies. So we will use some images which they have already provided us, right? So let's wait for it to load. So we've got a few images of male and few images of female. So I'll probably try with this and this one. So it's asking what's the gender for baby? Do you want a boy baby or girl baby? Okay, and click on generate baby. Also, they've been very careful and they say you can generate baby with one photo. No need to upload photos of both parents. Interesting. So let's wait and see how would a baby look like for this man and this woman. So the baby between these two people would look like this. It's not being shown, but it has generated. So this is the first option, and this is the second option. Crazy. Okay, let's move on. Likewise, we have AI sticker generator, we have AI tattoo generator, AI logo generator, and AI emoji generator. Okay, you can go ahead and try these things. Let's move on to AI photo editing, and let's see some of the options available here. Okay, so the first one is photo to animate, right? So you can upload a photo and generate anime of your own images. We can upload any of our images, and let me do it with one of this. Okay, so this is the image that I've uploaded. You would also try out with one of these images if you don't want to upload your image, but it wouldn't make sense, right? And then you can choose which model, like anime or Ghibli Pro. Okay, so let's go with Ghibli Pro, and you can also choose the anime strength. Okay, and let's generate it. And so this is the Ghibli image. Makes sense. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Now, this is the next one, which says AI baby filter, which means generate image of yourself as a baby. Let's try this out. So basically, you upload an image of yourself right now, and AI will predict where you're looking like while you were a kid. So let's see if that is true. I'll be shocked if that happens to be true. Let's go with this one, or maybe this one. Okay, gender for baby is boy. Let's generate. And now this is typical AI, right? It has got a kid, but with mustache. Interesting. Okay, I think AI wanted to be a bit more fun here. So, and I have to ask, probably not me. Let's move on. You can also do a old filter, which means how would you look like when you age, right? So let's see it for myself. How would I look like when I get older? So I'm going to upload this particular image here. Okay, this is the AI generated avatar of me, and I'm going to ask it photo of getting older by 75. Let's choose Google Nano Banana Pro 2048 pixel 1:1, right? So I'm going to generate this image, and there you go. AI thinks that my AI avatar, okay, which I uploaded as the input, would look like this when it turns 75 years old. And if you are curious to know how would you look like when you age, then please do give it a try and share it in the community so that we all can laugh together. Likewise, we have image outpainting, background changer, AI image in paint, sharpen image, AI passport maker, okay, AI photo editor, nano banana AI. So this is also very important, or rather important feature on the platform. So if you check it out, they have the filter or featured available for you to try out on Nano Banana. So you can see here some of the trending images generated using Nano Banana. So you can choose those templates and upload your image, and it'll generate the image for you using Nano Banana photo editor. You would also use a custom option here, which means you have to upload your image and also give your prompt. Okay, so let's skip this. And we also have AI flex context. Okay, let's move on to AI removal. And here you have multiple options. One is background removal, where background will be removed, which is pretty straightforward. And we have AI object remover, and then magic eraser, right? So let's try magic eraser. So you can upload an image from here, or we can try it from here. I'm going to use this particular one. Okay, and you can choose whatever you don't want from the image, like this, and probably this. Click on remove, and you can see that these 3 items will be removed from the image without making any change for the rest of the image, right? Let's revoke, let's reset. Let's move on with AI photo enhancer, right? So we have AI image upscaler, unblur image, AI face restore, and batch images upscaler. Okay, so let's go with AI image upscaler. So we can upload an image, and we're going to upload this particular image, right? Let me open this image and show it to you. So you can see that this was the blur version, and what AI generated was this. So likewise, if you have any blur images and if you want to sharpen it, you can use this option. You have AI face restore, right? And you also have batch image upscaler. Let's go to AI video tools, and you can see here we have AI music generator. So you can give it a try. AI video generator is available. So if you go here, it'll allow you to generate videos based on your prompt. So in the AI video, we have image to video, then we have text to video, we have consistent character video, video templates. Okay, so for example, you can choose the video template, okay, and then ask the AI to perform something similar, right? So in this case, use a template, AI fight, okay, AI smile generator, AI flying, okay, and so on and so forth. You can add sound to video, you can make a person dance. Okay, again, you can choose the dance steps from the templates and upload your image, and it'll showcase as though you were doing those steps. Yep. Let's go back, and finally we have some free tools, okay, where you can crop the image converter, meme maker, you have ugly avatar generator, extract audio from video, and webcam tester, and also microphone tester. Still not done. As you could see, Remaker AI actually has so many more features that we could not cover in this video. But I hope you have got the direction and you would choose the right feature that best fits your needs. It's so much more fun using these AI tools to see what would we look like, or what would our child look like. It's so much more fun to use these AI tools. Don't you think? Is this tool perfect? No tool is. It keeps advancing as and when model gets better and better. If you like experimenting with AI avatars and videos, then this is a must try for you. If you found this walkthrough helpful, then please do share it with others so that they can have some fun too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.